Hello, and welcome to Hartman. Today we're taking a look at the Henley 3-seat casual lounge set, ideal for seating up to 7 people. This outdoor resin is hand-woven over an aluminium frame, so it's lightweight, strong, durable, and will not rust. It is easy to clean and low maintenance, giving you more time to relax and enjoy your garden. This combination of materials is perfect for all weathers. The natural palette is ideal for both traditional and modern garden spaces. Hartman's Weatherready deep luxury cushions allow for maximum comfort. The weather-resistant fabric simply allows water to bead and run off. During heavier and persistent rain, the water will penetrate through the seams, flow through the permeable fibres, and exit through the mesh base. Drying times vary due to local conditions. All cushions have removable covers which are machine washable. For additional comfort, we've added non-slip mats under all of our cushions, and stool cushions are secured with the elastic toggles. Resin feet are used on the base of each leg to ensure stability and avoid scratching to patios and terraces. The Tuscan ceramic glass top offers an aesthetically pleasing finish, whilst also ensuring durability. It is tempered, easy to clean, and boasts a heat and scratch-resistant surface. With this set, you have the flexibility for casual dining or this relaxed 2-seater set. Using the chairs, stools, and side table, you can adjust the set to become the Henley companion set. Hartman. Comfort, design, quality.